Hello, my name's Robert and this is my colleague Mark. I'm going to be the operator and Mark is going to be the person calling the CCG Trust. So I'm going to show you how you can receive calls and make calls using the desktop app. So we're going to phone the Trust now. When a phone call comes in, you can see a pop-up comes up and you can simply click to answer the phone call with the mouse.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. To hang up, I can use this red end call button to end the call. Now, if I wanted to make an outgoing call, I can simply type on my keypad the number I want to call and hit enter. Now I'm phoning the person.
Hello, speaking.
Hello, I'm going to end this call. Okay, that concludes the demonstration of making and receiving calls through the desktop app. Thank you.